He does. Looks like he's got blue eyes, huh?
Very kind of.
Yeah, you have blue eyes.
He does. He's got blue eyes.
Whoa!
Whoa, 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 whoa!
Giddy up, horsey. Giddy up.
All this walking makes me have to go poop. Stop. Okay, go. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Now say go, horsey, go.
You're all
Say
done?
no, say go, horsey.
Say go, horsey, go, horsey, go!
Say giddy up.
Say giddy up!
Yeah.
Get up!
Get up.
Say go, horsey!
That face was so cute as it came up the little. It's like.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Say giddy up.
Giddy up! One more turn, okay? Like, oh, this is so boring. We're just walking in circles.
You think after the, course of the day, they probably get tired of it. They're probably like, just turn me out in the pasture and let me go munch on things and,
Whoa! Whoa! What's they doing? Touch your horsey.
they're getting obnoxious. The little black and white one's like, stop it. I don't want to do this anymore.
He gets over to the guy and he stops.
He's like, is this my stopping point?
Whoa.
Okay, we're all done.